this is circuit exercise 3B. The thing that I think that gives people the biggest problem with this one is that they don't know what to do with this, right? And so, isn't it the same? It doesn't matter where I connect that. Can't I just connect it like that? Is that the same thing? Is that now the same circuit? I know, it doesn't matter, right? I could connect it here, anywhere I want to, right? You know, and then clearly it's like this guy, a big mess, this guy, right? The big mess has got this guy and all of this mess here in parallel, doesn't it? Yeah? And then if you look at it that way, it's actually not that hard a circuit. It's just a pain. I think it's only a single popper. I mean, we have to pop. We only go one layer deep, but each layer we've got to sort of unpop like that, right? So I'm gonna. All right. Laurel, is Laurel here? No. Hold on. There you go. Lizzie's here though. So I'm going to start with a 10 and a 12. 1 divided by 1 divided by 10 plus 1 divided by 12. I'm going to store that in A. That's 5.45 repeating. All right. And then these guys are 1 divided by 1 divided by 11 plus 1 divided by 13. Whoa. That's 5.958. 3 repeating, and that's B. Store it in B. And then these guys are, they don't joke around, right? They're serious about this whole thing. Right? And this is going to be 9 plus A plus B, right? This plus this plus this. So 9 plus alpha A plus alpha B. Storage in C. 20.4128. Right? That's C. Right? And now we're almost there. C and 8 are connected how? They're parallel, right? This end they're connected together, this end they're connected together, right? Oh my God, where am I going to write that? Okay, so that's going to be 1 divided by the quantity 1 divided by 8 plus 1 divided by C. Right, and this is 5.7475. I'm going to store that in D. That's our letter D, right? Okay, and now we've got 6 and D and 7, and those are just a series circuit, right? It's solvable. Do you have questions so far? So I'll know right away if I'm on the right track, because if I don't get the right current for A2, there's no need going on, right? Okay, so A2 is going to be 37 divided by 6 plus, and then what was that guy? 5.7475. That's my letter D, right? Plus 7, right? Okay, so 37 divided by parentheses 6 plus alpha D plus 7. Storage, we're getting to letter E. 1.97, did I get it right? Yay. No, I didn't. Yes, I did. That's good news. A2 is 1.9736. Yeah, that's right. Okay. 9735964, and then the 4 seem to repeat. All right, and that I'm going to store in E. Ta-da. Okay. And then can't I find V3? Remember, V3 is across the whole Schnee there. It's across the thing that we call D. Yeah? The Schnee, which is actually a German word that means snow. Right? The Schnee, the thing. you know. Okay, so V3 is going to be IR, and it's going to be that current, so the 1.9735, etc., right, times that resistance, which is 5.7475. For me, that's just going to be E times D. It's my friend Ed. All right. Yeah? Thank you. All right. Alpha E times alpha D. Storage in F. Okay. Why is that funny? Sorry. Some people are discovering their inner child. I'm discovering my inner adult. Still, I'm going to store that in F. Did I get that right for V3?
Yeah.
V3, yay, go team, right? Okay, so now we are ready to pop this thing wide open, right? So now we're going to go, I'm going to take this voltage here, the 11.3432. That can't be read. Here, we need a little extra room. 11.3432 volts, right? And then it's across an 8. Wow, that 8 got really carried away. Okay, and then it's across a 9, and then it's there we go. All right, so this guy, I don't know why my 8 got so carried away. Sometimes they just do. Okay, then this guy is a 10, 11, or 12 ohm. Then this guy is 11, 13 ohm. Is that the same circuit? I just stretched it out like that. Some kids stretch out circuits before they solve them. It really helps them visualize it. That's the same circuit, isn't it? And then A1 is here. And then A3 is here. And A4 is here. And then there's a voltmeter across this guy, V2. And then there's a voltmeter across this one, V1 is across this guy. I'm redrawing this circuit. This is a radical redraw. V4 is across this guy. It's all connected the same. I just took the wires and moved them around. Isn't it? Notice that A3 is just downstream of the 10 ohm, right? A4 is upstream of the 13 ohm on that branch. A1 is upstream of the 8 ohm, right? So for these, A1 is the easiest one. A1 is just this divided by 8, right? A1 is 11.3432, which is, what did I store that in, F? Right, divided by 8. So divided by 8. Did I get that one right? Indeed I did. All right. Okay. And then to solve this side here, this is just going to be a series circuit. And I guess what we need to do is figure out what this current is on this side. So this current is going to be that voltage divided by all of that resistance. So, and we don't even ask for this current ever, which is sad, but I need that current. That red current is 11.3432 divided by, yeah, go for it. It's divided by, I think we called that C. Didn't we call that C? It's this plus that, right? So it's divided by 9 plus A plus B, which is actually C, but I'll just write it that way. So alpha F is that divided by 9 plus